In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Airbnb in Canada. First, open the Airbnb website or launch the Airbnb app on your phone. Sign into your account or create a new one if you're brand new to the platform. Having an account lets you save places, see accurate pricing, and complete a reservation smoothly. Next, use the search bar to enter your destination in Canada, whether it's a city, a national park gateway, or a neighborhood you've heard about. Add your check-in and check-out dates, then set the number of guests. Make sure the guest count is accurate so you see the correct availability, bed setup, and price. When everything looks right, select Search to pull up results tailored to your trip. Now refine those results with filters. Set your price range so you're only browsing places within budget. Choose the type of space you want, an entire place for maximum privacy or a private room if you don't mind sharing common areas. Then pick the amenities that matter to you, like reliable Wi-Fi, a kitchen for cooking, parking if you'll have a car, or pet-friendly options if you're traveling with an animal. The more precise your filters, the faster you'll find a great match. When a listing catches your eye, open it and take your time. Read recent reviews to understand real guest experiences. Check the house rules so there are no surprises about things like quiet hours or check-in times. Look over the cancellation policy so you know how flexible the reservation is. And review the full price breakdown, including cleaning fees, service fees, and taxes so you understand the total in advance. Ready to move forward? Choose reserve or book on the listing. You'll be prompted to enter a payment method, typically a credit card, a debit card, or PayPal where available. Use a card that's authorized for online, and if you're booking from another country, international purchases. Make sure your billing details are accurate to avoid delays. At this stage, Airbnb may ask you to verify your identity. This is a standard security step and can help protect both you and the host. Follow the prompts carefully and ensure your information matches what's on your official ID. Before you finalize, review your dates, guest count, house rules, and the total price one more time. If everything looks good, click Confirm and Pay. Some places offer instant confirmation, while others require host approval. Either way, you'll receive a notification in the app and by email with your reservation details once it's confirmed. That's it. You've booked your Airbnb in Canada and you're set for your trip.